Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, good afternoon, good evening from my side, and Juma Mubarak to all of you, especially Muslim people. And I want to greet a special person. And Miss SM, I heard that your birthday today. Happy birthday to you, and more successful coming to your life. Long life, have a long life, enjoy your birthday. And thank you for giving me that opportunity to celebrate you in your special day. Uh, Nothing to say, just enjoy your day and have a wonderful day to you. More birthday coming to your life, and thank you one more time to give me that opportunity. Enjoy your day.
Hey BPSM, happy birthday from me personally, and of course from the moderating team of our Philippines on Global Dating VR. We wish you all the best. We wish you all the best, Bebe. And we are very happy that you are part of us. That you are, we have you because you are one of our mm, hardworking and very much dedicated and loyal co-admins. Thank you. We appreciated you very much, Bebe SM, aka Sheila Marie. And yeah, I wish you all the best. I wish you good luck. Stay happy, stay pretty, and stay humble as you are. Love ya.
Gising ko lang ba? Di ko alam yung sasabihin ko. But I will try my best. Today's your birthday, so happy birthday to my best friend, to my sister, to my enemy sometimes if we have an argument. Yeah. Thank you for being there for me as my friend. Thank you for comfort with me. Thank you so much. If I have a problem, yeah, thank you so much for that. So I wanna wish to you, I wanna say to you, your life is a gift from the God, and I know I am grateful to Him for all the blessing you bring into this world and my life. So happy birthday to you. But I wish more birthday to come in your life. Yeah. I am thankful because we are dating there and dating we are. So I meet you there. I am thankful for that. Thanks to God, I have friend like you. Okay, business. So I wanna say to you again, happy birthday. I am here as your friend. If you need me, I am here for you. Thank you for love me. Then I also love you too, as my bestie. So thank you for everything, bestie. Yeah. Yun lang, bestie. Wala sa mind ko yung ano ba, yung sasabihin ko sa'yo. Parang ano. So, yun lang, bestie. I love you. Happy birthday again. Always take care of your work. Yan. Alam mo naman, mahirap dito sa abroad. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Then, I wish we can meet and in the Philippines if we are go back there. Yeah, if after finish our contract, sana I wish for you. Okay, thank you so much, bestie. I'm always hard for you. Yun lang. parang di ko alam ba yung sasabihin ko. Okay, thank you so much, bestie. Yun lang. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy today. Because you have to birthday. I know you enjoy. Ayun ako, bestie. Gusto ko sana mag-gift sa'yo, pero siguro sa Pinas na, pag mag-meet tayo, wag lang muna ngayon kasi di ko alam, ang layo-layo ba natin. So, yun lang. Happy birthday to you. Love you. Mwah! Mama Chup Chup.
Hi, it's Em. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, wishing you more birthdays to come in your life. Always good health. Yeah, thank you for being my friend here in the evening. And always be happy. Yeah, and I love you so much.
Good morning, Isam. Many more happy returns of many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you with a lot of love, wealth, and health, and a good family bonding between you and your family. May God bless you. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.